What's up, y'all? It's your boy JP. We have another amp install coming up, and I want to just kind of showcase which amplifier we're using for the system. It's going to be the Kicker CXA800.1. Now, to answer the question that I get all the time, what is the board that I'm mounting to, is going to be 1/4 inch ABS. I get it off of Amazon, and those links are in my profile. One thing I like about the amplifier is the size. It's not that much bigger than my hand, but with a small size amp that's going to still deliver some pretty good power, it gives us more options to actually find a place to mount this. You will have the 4-gauge input terminals for power and ground, and then you also have the regular connections for the remote and positive and negative speaker terminal inputs right here. This amp is 1 ohm stable and it has a recommending fusing of 80 amps. Now, when you first buy this amplifier, the birth sheet on top says that it will provide 936 watts, but I actually seen Kicker run an amp dyno by the SMD amp dyno test on this, and they had some certified numbers that were actually pretty cool. At 4 ohms, it provided 367 watts. At 2 ohms, it was 647 watts, and at 1 ohm, it was 1038 watts. They also did another run of a dynamic burst, and we got 1407 watts at 14 volts, which means that this amp is going to provide you with the power that you need without being too much of a strain on your charging system. If you want to see what this amp can do on the system, then make sure you guys lock in with me, subscribe, and all that good stuff, because we're going to be installing this real soon. God bless y'all. Peace.